All right, this one we are going to try to figure out which of the following would make the inequality true. So they said that -6 is greater than x. So we are going to plug in x that they have given us, the x's they have given us, to see which one is true. So the first one, -6, is greater than 8. Is that true? We're using right here, 8. No, that is not true. The next one, -6, is that greater than +6? Nope, also not true. -6, is that greater than -3? Nope, not true. And then lastly, -6, is that greater than -10? Yes, that is true, right? Remember, when you're working with two negatives, when you're comparing two negatives, the one that looks like it has a bigger value, you would think the 10 is bigger, actually is smaller. Okay, so 6 is the bigger value in this case. All right, the next one's a little different. They give us an original equation here, which is 4 parentheses 3 plus x, close parentheses, equals 32. And then they gave us a variety of x's to try out. So we're going to first start with 4. So we're going to plug in a 4 right here. 4 parentheses 3x, 3 plus 4 equals 32. So order of operations tells us we need to add 3 and 4, which is 7. Okay, and all I did was just bring down everything else, and then we need to do 4 times 7, which is 28. Does 28 equal 32? No. So A is wrong. All right, so now we're going to try the next number. Let's try 5. So plug in a 5 right here. 3 plus 5 is 8. Times 4 equals 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So yes, this will work. So 5 is good. Now you can check the other ones. They won't give you 32. Just to show you that, 4 times 3 plus 6 equals 32. Here we get 18. 18 times 4 gives us 72, which is not 32. And then the last one, you've got 4 parentheses 3 plus 7 equals 32. So 3 times 7 is 21, and then 21 times 4 gives us 84, which again is not 32. So none of these at the bottom work, only 5 will work here.